And return of the baby bird. See? Stupid baby bird. Why are you trying to get in my window? And my dog is trying to get up on my bed to get the baby bird through the glass, but however, it's glass, so get again. What the hell? What is wrong with this bird? This is the second day this bird has been trying to get in my room. If I tap the glass, what will it do? Tap, 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 tap. I don't know. Maybe it's just hungry? Luna, no. Huh, your barking didn't even scare it off. I wonder if I can move closer with the camera for it will... Oh, this baby bird ain't scared of anything, is it? What do you guys think it's after? Whoop! There it goes.